Welcome back to Twisted Toy Garage. I'm AJ.
I'm Trey.
And today we got power washing of the car here. We got, oh, this is in the way. We got me taking apart this motor and me taking apart this motor to take everything we need off of, oh, my finger's in there. We got a new camera, by the way. Take everything we need off of this to transfer into that one over there. And yesterday we took out the motor out of Linda, and unfortunately the camera situation we had yesterday was terrible. So we went out today, bought a new camera, first time with it. Let us know if it's a better quality, if it sounds good, any criticism. Put it back.
Damn, Cage, that shit fire.
So I'm going to be working on pulling this motor apart. Got to take the turbo off. Got to get our shoulder belt for the alternator because we eliminated the AC pump compressor. Got to work everything off to get to the transmission, so we put the transmission on that motor. And any other parts that we have replaced in the past, we're going to try to use everything on there. So we're going to get to work and have you guys follow me. Trey's over there trying, to drop the car. I don't know how you're going to get the car out with the garage door closed. Better not let my AC out. Yeah, all right. So let's get this water housing off. Pliers. Now we got some Torx 1230. Little T30 business. There's 3 T30s. One. Two. So now that we got that off, I'm going to work on getting the thermostat housing out. A couple of tins. T30 and a hook tool. Pretty sure that is about it for the cooling system that we're going to switch over. Might use this hose. Now, probably going to switch over back to the vacuum motor, get that turbo disconnected. Not really sure why the camera shut off, but let's get back to it. Oh, it is. This is garbage. Controls back. So we're back. Apparently this camera that I bought, the GoPro 9, they have overheating situations, I would say. And had to do a little research on it because I've never used a GoPro before. And the resolution, the settings, things like that dictates how the battery reacts. So I had to change a little bit of settings and see if we could do a little better. But back to it, getting this turbo off. You got the back end on it?
Go back there.
Right. Got it? When you get to a certain point, you should really be able to do what you're doing.
Put your heel on it. On the ridge. No, on the little part.
Take it off.
The walls, I can't get it. Trust me. Put your finger on the middle. See
Well, I just realized this line is not. It's in the front. I'm gonna hold it. Just put those down. There's a hole right here. These. The pliers are up. Second. Turn those off. Oh, let's put up on the tray. So we hit a spot where we're gonna stop and clean up and oh, my bad. Anyways, we hit a spot where we're gonna stop and clean up and continue tomorrow. It's Sunday. We want to spend time with the family, so we're not gonna spend our whole day in the shop. But this is what we got so far. Turbo's off. The water outlet that I was talking about over here that goes into the block, that's out. The thermostat housing is out. And then what we have left on this motor is to get this transmission apart from the block, and then we'll set this block somewhere else and get it out of our way so we can get this other one prepped up. Yeah, so that'll probably be tomorrow, and we'll continue on from there. So we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, we gotta push that car back in.
Yeah, we showed you.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Later.